In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Mailerlite. We'll walk through the entire process together, from landing on the homepage to requesting approval for your new account. By the end, you'll have your Mailerlite account set up and ready for email marketing. First, head over to the Mailerlite homepage in your browser. On the main page, look for the button that says Sign Up Free. It's usually easy to spot near the top of the page. Click that button to start creating your new account. Next, you'll see a sign-up form where you need to enter a few basic details. Type in your company name, your full name, the email address you want to use for this account, and a secure password. Take a moment to make sure your email is correct since you'll need it for verification, and choose a strong password you'll remember or store in a password manager. When everything looks good, click the button that says Create My Account. After you submit the form, Mailerlite will send a verification message to the email address you just entered. Open a new tab or switch to your email inbox and look for an email from Mailerlite. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder, just in case it landed there. Once you find the message, open it and click the button that says Verify Email Address. This confirms that you own the email you're using for your account. When your email is verified, go back to Mailerlite and log in with the email and password you created. After logging in for the first time, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. Look for the option that says Complete Profile and click it. Here, Mailerlite will ask for more details about your business, including your industry and your business address. Fill these in accurately because this information helps with email deliverability and compliance requirements. Your address, for example, is often required in the footer of your marketing emails. Finally, you'll see a few questions about how you plan to collect subscribers and use Mailerlite. Answer these honestly, describing how people join your list and the type of emails you'll send. When you're done, click Request Approval. Mailerlite will review your information, and once you're approved, your new account will be ready to use.